Today, I'll show you how to install an Outsunny 10-foot by 13-foot electric awning. I like this brand because, unlike most other brands, this awning was mostly already assembled. I was able to finish the assembly and install it by myself in under an hour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content just like this. Thank you. First, assemble the fabric tube. Slide the fabric tube connector into the two sides of the fabric tube, aligning two screw holes on each side. Put a screw into each hole. Now, slide the awning fabric into the fabric tube. Two sides of the awning fabric have splines in them. Insert one of the splines into the groove on one side of the fabric tube. Then slide it in until the entire spline is in the fabric tube. Roll the fabric over the fabric tube. Connect the two sides of the torsion bar and the front bar with the torsion bar connector and the front bar connector. Align the screw holes and put a screw into each hole. Insert the other fabric spline of the fabric on the fabric tube into the top groove of the front bar and slide it in. When the fabric tube reaches the motor, slide the fabric tube over the motor. Slide the loose end of the fabric tube into the side of the awning frame. Insert the valance spline into the bottom groove of the front bar and slide it in. Slide the fabric fixer into the front bar groove next to the valance and tighten the screw. Then cover the end with the right front bar end. Attach the manual rotary lever using the metal clip. Attach the wall brackets to the wall above the door. Make sure you fasten them into studs. If you're going into concrete or brick, then use the supplied expansion bolts. If going into wood, use lag bolts. Hang the awning onto the wall brackets. Slide the square torsion bar into the open part of the wall brackets. Secure them into place with the supplied retaining bolts, washers, and nuts. Now push open on the remote control and let it go until it stops. From here you will need to set the awning limits to set how far it will go before it stops. The limit settings are above the manual rotary lever. The top is the outer limit and the bottom is the inner limit. Open the awning as far as it goes and then turn the outer limit setting until the awning opens to where you want it. Then close it. When it stops, turn the inner limit setting until it closes to where you want it. Use the motor regulating rod for this. Now adjust the pitch or angle. On the side, the top bolt can slide to change the pitch and the bottom bolt helps lock it into place. When the angle is right, then put a third supplied bolt and nut on the end to hold the sliding bolt in place. To open and close the awning manually, use the hand crank to turn the manual rotary lever. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helps you successfully install your Outsunny retractable awning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more projects that you can do for yourself. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Thank you.